This is insane. I have so much cash on hand that I actually counted by weighing it on my bathroom scale, and yet I can't spend it. I can't tell my family about it, all of whom think that I am right on the edge of bankruptcy. I mean, it's insane.
So it looks as though the bad boy of crypto, Ben Armstrong, needs your money. Or does he? Okay, now I know I did promise I wasn't going to do any more crypto content on this channel because I was going to go to stocks because of reasons I mentioned in that last video. But this was just too good. I couldn't resist. So bear with me. Now, BitBoy Crypto, apparently, according to this article, holds 80 million in XRP, yet asks his community for donations. Now, why could that be, do you think? So down here, this is the tweet here where he's asking for the money. And if you actually go to this right here, it's saying that it actually leads to an account which holds over $82 million. Here it is right here. You can check this for yourself and you'll find that there's 161 million XRP in that account, and obviously XRP is about 50 cents right now. And you look down and you can see just tons and tons of transactions just piling in, like every couple of seconds, couple of minutes, there's just more and more XRP coming on, which leads me on to maybe thinking that this whole shenanigans going on with the HIT network and him having to raise money for legal fees, that this is actually just his way of doing the Breaking Bad public fundraising campaign where all you good citizens of the world give him money.
He can make it so 20 or 30,000 little donations come in from all over the US and Canada. 10, 20, 50 bucks a pop, all paid in full, nice and neat, untraceable, from the good-hearted people of the world to Mr. Walter H. White, cancer saint.
Just a couple of days ago, we had this come out here for about the FTX lawsuit. So it had been targeting several YouTube influencers, Ben Armstrong being one of them. And that case has actually now been dropped against BitBoy Crypto. So possibly to do with his bad state of affairs right now, allegedly not having any money, being thrown out of his own company, all of that type of stuff. So they've actually dropped the charges against him, so that is no more. And literally as soon as the heat is off, he's asking for donations from all of his supporters like you guys, and apparently raising over $80 million in cash. Now, I don't know what you think of BitBoy Crypto, whether you like him, whether you don't. Personally, I don't really watch his content because I'm just a trader. I just trade what you see on the charts. I'm not really interested in all of these sort of shenanigans that goes on, particularly with all of the shilling. Now, I have been looking into this because it is just a funny story and it does make you wonder. There is lots of parallels with Breaking Bad and you wonder exactly what on earth he's getting himself into here. Now you come here though, and he's got his ETH address, and if you go to that Ethereum wallet, you can see that people have indeed sent him money, but it's not to the tune of $80 odd million. It's just 62,000, which to be fair is a lot of money for most people. I mean, that's like an annual salary right there given to him. And that's all allegedly, again, to pay for his legal fund. Now, I can have a good guess at who his lawyer could be.
Oh, hello.
But hey, getting back to the XRP millions that we saw earlier. Now, if we come down here, you can see that he says that my CFO, Timothy Shed, single-handedly lost $3 million in crypto on Celsius, and his son, TJ Shed, the CEO, refused to fire him. TJ made his dad CFO in spite of having zero financial experience. All of our XRP was on Celsius. They stole all my money. Now, if that is true, then how is it that you see all of this cash over here, all of this XRP getting sent through every 3 minutes, very much like the whole scenario that you had on Breaking Bad? Is Ben Armstrong just a complete fraud and a liar and a scammer? Have people honestly sent him 80 odd thousand, or is he just basically conducting some sort of money laundering exercise to legally put through all of his ill-gotten gains, which he hasn't actually submitted to the
IRS. If they can get Capone they can get you.
Or could it be that certain editors and reporters that create all these types of stories here don't really understand how blockchains work, like XRP? So you can see here we've got his address, and you've also got the tag underneath. So the address will send you to the main account for that, but you've also got the tag. You see each one of these transactions has a separate tag for XRP. It's not like Bitcoin. And if you actually just search for just the ones with those tags, you can see that BitBoy Crypto, Ben Armstrong, he has not been quite as successful as you may think, raising money from all of his millions of subscribers, millions of followers on Twitter. He's actually only raised, well, an absolute pittance, really. I mean, that's hardly anything in XRP. You know, if I was going to add that up, probably maybe 250, 300 XRP, $153. And I don't even think it's that. I think it's probably more like 270. So it's like 138. Let's call it $140. So from all of his millions of subscribers, his massive following, they've managed to raise $150 for his legal fund. Well, good luck with that. My personal opinion is that this was all to sort of try and get out of the whole FTX scandal that he was in with the lawsuit with the SEC. Maybe something to do with trying to launder some money as well. Who knows? I mean, I've got no idea. Like I said, I don't even watch his channel, but I would absolutely love to hear what it is that you think down below in the comments, because I don't follow him. I don't know the story that well, but I love to hear your take on it. So please do let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.